Hi, Achy Dad here. I got a little ache in my forearm. We're so excited. We couldn't wait. This came in the mail today. Someone at the Teddie Peanut Butter Company saw us reviewing, I'm looking at my wife and daughter, saw us reviewing peanut butter. 2 years later, they said, we got an organic version of that peanut butter. Can we send you some? Basically, I can die now because it's my dream. Tin foil. Oh my god. Oh, I think they sent us a case.
Wow! Oh my god! That's awesome. You go silly. George loves peanut butter. Oh my god.
The most important part of this review is folding this knife back. Because you know what this does in my pocket?
No.
Nothing good. Nothing good at all. Organic dry roasted peanuts, sea salt. I wonder if they'll make it unsalted. Now everyone at Teddie's like, Jesus Christ, is it ever enough? Now we have to take the salt out and have organic? We'll never make any money. All right, here we go. This is our normal Teddie peanut butter. Creamy, unsalted, all natural. A natural tradition since 1925. Okay, USA grown. Ooh, is this USA grown? Teddie's gonna hate me. I'm sorry. Let's taste it.
Hey. Maybe that's a no.
First off, very different. Can you get a close-up of that?
I want the other kind.
Which kind?
Would you be willing to close your eyes and try both of the peanut butters and then tell us which one you like better?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
I got a lot of peanut butter in my mouth. First kid taste. Close your eyes. Okay, do you like that one? Okay.
Ooh! Surprise.
Okay. Now, which one do you like better? The first or the second?
Go first.
You just like the first one better?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I bet it. Okay. I bet it's because you're used to unsalted.
Okay, I'm ready.
I like them both.
Do they taste quite different? Wait, don't say that, because
I will.
I want to taste them
Okay.
too.
Well, I picked the one I picked before. She thinks I'm going to pick the same one, but then she thinks I'm going to pick the organic one because I picked the other one, and she's playing poker in her head.
Oh my god.
Close your eyes.
I was actually wondering if you were going to turn the camera around.
I'm always on camera, honey. It's Achy Dad show. No. Okay. Ready?
Okay.
Okay.
That's just a lot of peanut butter.
Here, Mommy.
That's tasty. I just drank the backwash water. All right, ready.
Ooh, it's really hard for me to judge looking in the viewfinder of the camera.
Here, Mommy.
Thank you, baby.
Why do you call me baby?
Habit. I like the first one better.
I like the first one.
It's the organic. See if it.
My body told me so. For some reason, long ago, I decided that $8 jars of peanut butter were just not something I was going to buy.
For some reason.
It just, it's a little much.
Yeah.
I definitely registered salt with the first one.
Ah, that's the organic one has salt.
Mm-hmm. Salted peanut butter is good. I don't know. It's really hard to tell how the peanuts would taste differently because of the salt.
But I say bravo. What are you? Is it kid tested, mother approved? Oh, did I break copyright or trademark there?
Yeah.
Are you gonna buy the organic if you see it?
I'd probably buy the organic unsalted if it's available.
Ah, all right. But otherwise,
But
you
I
buy
would
it.
probably buy it saying, but that salted kind was really good.
Yeah, and maybe they could make unsalted and put a packet of salt on the top of the jar, so that when you get home you can salt, and you have to
Salt
stir
it
the
yourself.
oil. You salt it yourself.
Mm-hmm.
So salted and unsalted are actually the same peanut butter from the factory.
Just a little packet of Himalayan sea salt or salt sourced from your most local source.
Yes, it has to be organic Himalayan sea salt. Oh, are you still eating?
Yeah.
Did you try this one too? Can you tell the difference? Oh, well,
Cross-contamination.
cross-contamination.
Thanks, Teddy.
Are they different colors? I think they are.
Yeah, slightly.
That
This
one's
one's a little
lighter.
more pale.
Yeah.
But I think this one might be still not as mixed as
up.
this one.
All right, well, thank you, Teddy peanut butter people. I give it a excellent.
Yes.
Keep it up.
We have 5.
5
Oh,
jars total.
5 jars.
4 are the new ones. Very good. Little math person. But we're all in favor of organic, or at least knowing where the peanuts come from and that they're mostly good. And that the soil is mostly good. It doesn't have to be pure organic. It's really more. And now I'm losing the thread. This is called losing the thread. How do we wrap this up? All right, stay peanutty out there, folks.